video, we're gonna make one of our crowd favorites at our restaurant. Let's cook, guys. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chef Threads. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we are making a dish that I can't take credit for. It's actually my stepfather's recipe, and he is the creator of this at our restaurants. And it's called Chicken New Orleans because of the Cajun sauce we use in there, and the pasta we use is a campanelli pasta. It looks like a horn, you know. So that was his creation, and is one of our best sellers. So we're making that today. So obviously we're going to start this dish off with some chopped garlic, some chopped shallot, and then our chicken. I'm going to cut it up into small cubes, so that way we're going to cook it in the pan. So we're not going to pre-cook it. We're just going to cook it in the pan, make a pan sauce with it. So you're going to see me chop up some cubes here of chicken, just a regular chicken breast. And then we'll start this dish off. Start off with some butter, add in our shallot, our garlic, give that a toss around. Let our garlic and shallot brown up a little bit. Then we're going to go in and add our chicken, get that cooked up. And with this, we're going to add some salt and some pepper and then our Cajun seasoning. So I'd like to address a few things. I've noticed a few comments on our videos about, when I say our restaurant or this is a recipe that I used to do. To answer the questions in the comments is, yes, I no longer work at a restaurant anymore, but the restaurants that I used to work at are still open. They still run. I just have now moved on to better things, and I moved out of the state that I used to live in, and now I live in South Florida, and I'm a private chef now, and I also own my own clothing company. So that's what, when I say that I used to cook this or I used to do this recipe, I'm still a chef. I just don't work in a kitchen anymore. So, just to clarify. All right, next we're going to go in some sun-dried tomatoes here. And our mushrooms that we chopped up earlier. And then just let this simmer for a little bit. Get your sun-dried tomatoes cooked up and your mushrooms cooked down before we start adding in our heavy cream. If you guys enjoy our videos, please give us a like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Liking the video really helps us get out there and really share these recipes. So I really appreciate everybody who likes our videos. And if you have a positive comment or questions, please leave it in the comments below, and I would love to reach out and talk to the community or answer any questions that you may have. All right, once we got some coloration here, we're going to start adding our heavy cream. Turn the heat down just a tad and let this reduce. And then once you start seeing it bubbling up like this, I'm going to add in some fresh cheese. You can use Parmesan cheese. You can use grated cheese that you can get at the store. I still have some fresh Pecorino in the fridge, so I'm going to use that. This is going to help bind our sauce up too. I see now it's like a nice cream sauce. For our pasta, 10 to 11 minutes. Dump it in our sauce. Give it a couple tosses, or spoon if you can't toss it. And that's it, guys. Plate it up. This looks phenomenal. This is one of my favorite dishes to make, and like I said in the beginning of the video, this is one of our crowd favorites that we used to do. So, and I'm sure they still do it there at the restaurant. But I hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. And I hope you enjoy this dish. Thank you. Guys, no brainer. Gotta try this one. Don't forget the threads, baby.